This is the Zealot B38 headphones, a fantastic earpiece that won't break the bank. I grabbed this for about $20 and honestly, they are a solid deal at that price. Let me know your thoughts in the comments after this review. Now let's unbox the Zealot B38 headphones. The headphone comes in two colors, black and white. Both finishes look really solid for the price. We've got the white here. Let's see what we get here. First off, we've got the USB Type A to C charging cable, pretty standard. And of course, you need it to top up the headphones from time to time. Next up, the headphones itself. This comes with a white finish and I've got to say, it looks very premium and eye-catching for a budget headset. For a headset I got for $20, wow, this is nice. We also got the paperwork with quick manuals and guides that walk you through the basics function. Let's get back to the headphone. It feels lightweight in the hand with a premium build quality which I didn't expect for a $20 headphone. The ear cushions are really soft so they won't hurt your ears even after long listening sessions. You also get the right and left markings to easily tear the side apart. And the headband comes with a nicely cut foam padding that should sit comfortably on your head. If you are enjoying this content so far, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more budget tech reviews like this. On the headphone, we've got the power pairing button along with the volume up and down controls. There's also a USB Type-C port for charging and aux input if you preferred a wire connection. The headband adjuster also deserves a mention. It slides smoothly and feels solid, which makes it easy to get the perfect fit. And it also comes with two microphones for calls. Now let's go ahead and switch on the headphones, pair them up and check out the sound quality. I'm really curious to hear how the audio performs, especially for something this affordable. That's about it in the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Peace.